What is this? Yeah. So this seems to be online something. Okay. This seems to be online stuff. Let's open it. Okay. Yeah, let's open it. So let's open. Okay. Looks. Wait. This looks like so. Oh, this is like a USB. See? This is. Wait. Let's open this side. Wait. Nine. Wait. So this is what? This is USB hub. Okay. It has USB 3.1. So if you see, it is USB 3.1 Gen 4 power hub. Okay. This is name is Zo, and this is, let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's see. So we'll open this. Let's see how it looks like. This is open like this. Oh wow, what is this? Okay, yeah, so there is a power adapter. Wait, listen, this is a power adapter. 1 second. This is a power charger. What is this? Oh, this is the USB hub. Oh, wow. Look, see? This is the working power hub. It has also connector to connect. Okay, here it's a DC 12 volt in. Okay, and this is the charger. Okay, so this is the USB. All are USB 3. Okay, Igla. Okay, this is what it is. Nice packaging. Looks nice packaging. Right. Okay. Nice.